I-highlights nyo lang guys yung ipi-premiere nyo. Di ba when you live, meron parang camera na no, not the cam, the dot, tatlong dots. Yan, mga 30 minutes, i-press nyo lang yan. Mag-highlights na siya. Tapos yun, kung gusto mo i-instant premiere, i-schedule mo yung highlights mo, it's okay. Ang bilis talaga tumaas ng revenue. Kaya pala ako nag-start mag-highlights, siguro 2 weeks pa lang. Yeah, tapos nung I'll check my revenue, talagang merong pumapasok na pera. Thank you all guys. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. Ayan, maya after 5 minutes, work na ako ulit. Iwan ko lang naka-live. Mga 1.5 or 2 hours live, tapos yun, tomorrow again, or mamayang gabi. Yeah, when you will still live every day, then merong revenue na pumapasok. Ito si Manang Nancy in Japan, ang sipag mag-live, ang sipag mag-upload. Maya po after live Manang Nancy in Japan, I'll visit your channel and Ambitiosa. Thank you so much. Magandang buhay everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Brigera Vlogs. I don't wanna lose your love. I don't wanna be the one who's broken hearted. Don't take the only love I ever know. 'Cause I don't wanna lose your love. You look at me and I can see what people call hop into the future that we charted. Thank you. 6 million people in my room. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Iwan ko muna po kayo. Start work na po ako. Love you all. God bless you. Iwan ko lang tong naka-live, mga 2 hours. Then later, mamayang gabi mag-live ako. Mag-on ako ng camera. Love you all. Thank you so much. Domo arigato again, Manang